Good afternoon, class. May I request everyone to please stand for our prayer. May I request Yura Minyalin to lead the prayer. Amen. Now, please do remain standing for our energizer. All you need to do is follow the steps, the dance steps that's shown on the TV screen. Are all energized? Good to hear that. Before you sit down, kindly arrange your chairs and don't forget pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs. Are you all done? Okay, you may now take your seat. Do we have absentees for today? Very good, because all are here, let's give yourselves a round of applause. And now at this point, for us to become smooth in our discussion, I have here the classroom rules. Number 1, please raise your hand to speak. Number 2, listen to your teacher. And number 3 is be prepared in class. Is that clear? Okay. And now, I have here also the jumbled letters. I want 2 representatives to assemble this. Who wants to volunteer? Okay, Melon and Deacon, please come in front to assemble these jumbled letters. Okay, the jumbled letters assembled by Melon and Deacon is the Republic Act 9293. And now, do you have any idea in what will be our topic in this afternoon? Very good, about the Republic Act 9293. And now, before we have tackled this topic about the Republic Act number 9293, everybody please read the objectives. Very good. What is the Republic Act 9293 in your own opinion? Very good. The Republic Act 9293 is an act of amending certain section of RA 7836. The Republic Act 9293 is with the passage of RA 9293 is the following are the provision. The Republic Act 9293, there are the main provision of this act. The first provision is the section 1. Everybody, please read the section 1 and also the section 15. Very good. The section 15 is the qualification requirements of applicants. This provision, the changes of the section 15 is the changes of that section is to provide of all that a graduate of school, college or universities recognized by the government of the educational qualification. Understand? Very good. Okay. This provision of Republic Act of 1993 is the qualification of all the teachers. They shall provide the qualification like for example the teacher of preschool needs a bachelor's degree in early childhood education, or the BSIT. And also the elementary teacher needs a bachelor's degree in elementary education, or also called a BSEED or BSIT. While in the secondary, with at least 18 units in professional education. When we say 18 units in professional education, this in the secondary, the teacher needs a bachelor's degree with a minor and major, or bachelor's degree in arts and science. Is that clear? Good to know that. And let's proceed to the Section 26, Registration and Exemption. Didan, please read the Section 26, and after your reading, please give your idea. Thank you. The Section 26, Registration and Exemption, it clarifies the process for the teachers to register and to take their license, professional license, and also includes the teacher roles. Is that clear? Okay. And now, let's proceed to the third bullet of the section. Everybody, please read. Thank you. The professional teacher who have not practiced their profession, these are equivalents for training and number of hours to be chosen from a list of courses, also provided by the board or the Department of Education before they can allow to practice their profession in the country. Understand? Okay, and now let's proceed to the fourth bullets of this section. Everybody, please read the fourth bullets. Thank you. Those who have failed in the licensure examination for professional teachers, or also known as eligible or para-teacher. When we say para-teacher, these are the teachers haven't passed in the licensure examination professional teachers, but they are allowed to teach temporarily, especially in the area of shortage of teachers. They receive a special permits for 2 years, which can be renewed for another 2 years. Understand? Okay. Now let's proceed to the section 31. Limbaga, please read the section 31, and after your reading, please give your wonderful idea. Thank you, Ms. Limbaga. The section 31 is the transitory provision. When we see the transitory provision, this belongs to the Republic Act 9293, talking about the special permit. The special permit, it shall indicate the area or assignment for the teacher where they assign, not only for the teacher, and also called the para-teachers, also known as the para-teacher is the teacher who haven't passed in the professional licensure examination. Understand? Okay. Clarification? Okay. Good to hear that. Since you have no questions, and now let's proceed to our activity. Our activity, I'll group you in 3 groups. Please count off from ACAP. Okay. Since you have already a numbers, kindly go to your groups. And group 1 will be the right side, and group 2 will be the left side, and the group 3 at the back part. What you need to do is you will doing be a role play. And now here's the instruction. The instruction is create a role play on the importance of the continuing professional development for teachers and how it relates to RA 9293. I'll give you 3 minutes for preparation and 2 minutes for the presentation. And before you start doing your role play, here's the criteria. The time management, 10 points. The organization, 5 points. The delivery, 10 points. And clarity, 10 points. And the last is the achievement of objectives is 15 points. The total points is the 50 points. And now, you start doing your role play. Time's up. And let's proceed to our presentation. The first presenter is proceed to the front. And the next presenter is the group 2. And the last presenter is the group 3. Since we are all done the presentation, here's the scores of each group. The group 1 will got a points 49 points, and the group 2 will got a points 48 points, and the last group, which is the group 3, got 47 points. Let's give yourselves a round of applause. Okay, since you didn't have questions and clarification, and now let's do a quick recap for our discussion while ago. The first question is, what act known as the Philippine Professional Teacher Professionalization of 1994? So Rosa, very good. And the next question is, it is an act amending on 7836. Viray. Very good. And the last question is, how can you appreciate the importance of Republic Act 9293? Please stand, Sibuga, and give your idea. Very good. It seems like you listened attentively with our discussion while ago. With that, let's give yourselves a round of applause again. Okay, let's proceed to our short quiz. In our short quiz, please get 1/4 and read the instruction and answer this in 5 minutes. You may now start. Finish or not finish, can you pass your papers in the front at the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, please get your notebook, your assignment notebook, and copy your assignment. Your assignment is search and study about the Presidential Decree 1006 because we are having a quiz next meeting. Is that clear? Okay, goodbye class.